Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe for supporting. Now I will teach you how to use the trigonometry in piping isometric drawing. Now why trigonometry? Because trigonometry means triangle, and triangle is represent as the offset. This is degree, okay? Offset in isometric drawing. This is the run. No, the travel. Okay, this is the travel. Means this is the run and this is the set. And the next you need to remember is if this is the degree given for problem solving, so this is the opposite. And this is the adjacent, like that, hypotenuse. And then if this is not given, only this top side, so means this is the opposite, because always degree opposite. Very easy to understand. So means this is adjacent now, and this is the hypotenuse or the travel, like that. Don't forget that. And another one important is this word, SOH. TOA. What is the meaning of this? SOH TOA. This very important because S represent as so, sine, degree, and O opposite, H over hypotenuse, and the CAH, C for cosine degree, A for adjacent, and H for hypotenuse, and then T tangent degree, and O represent for opposite, and A for over adjacent. Okay, very easy. Now I will give you the example problem solving with the given number. Example, the given number is, just I put this so very clear, SOH TOA. Always remember the word SOH TOA. Example, triangle. Okay, the triangle is with the degree 43. Okay, 43 degree, and then this is the missing one. What is this? So degree is here. Don't see, this is the opposite, and this is the 12. What is this? Means opposite, and this is the hypotenuse. Okay, if like that, what we can do is check what is the missing, the opposite. The opposite is here, and this is what? Hypotenuse. So we can use so. So means sine 43 is equals to O x over h, hypotenuse 12. All you need to do is cross multiplication, okay, over 1. So this one is x over sine 43 times 12. Okay, very simple. So x now is equals to what? Sine 43 times 12. Use scientific calculator. Sine 43 times multiplied by 12 is equals to 8.18. Okay, very easy, huh? Just multiply this 2, okay, times 12. Another one sample, and the next sample is if the opposite is change position, like the degree is here. The degree is 27 degree. Okay, and then the what is here? Adjacent, because this is the opposite of degree. So this is the adjacent. And then the missing is here, y. We put y. What is this y? The hypotenuse. Hypotenuse and hypotenuse, and this is adjacent. So this K, we use K because here is the adjacent and here is the hypotenuse. So K means cosine 27 degree. This is equals A adjacent 5 over y. Again cross, cannot 1. Okay, so put y here, transfer to downside the cosine. Okay, cosine 27. So y is equals to, use scientific calculator, 5 divided by cosine 27 is equals to 5.61. Okay, so y is equals to 5.61. Very easy. Put y here equals, then put downside to only change position. That's the easy to remember. Okay, you cannot multiply this because y, so only transfer the very thing need easy to remember. Next example again, that the triangle is, the given number is y, missing the trabez or hypotenuse. Then this is x, is missing again the, and the degree is also the opposite missing, and the only given is this, the adjacent, and the degree here is 38. So this is opposite side. Okay, 38 degree. The given is what? Adjacent. Here is the adjacent in 2 position. Now we use the K for hypotenuse. So cosine 38 is equals to A adjacent 10 over what? Y. Same procedure. Y is equals to 10 over cosine 38. Okay, so y is equals to 12.7. Scientific calculator. 10 divided by cosine 38. So y is 12.8. Okay, clear. Another one, we find the y. Y is 12.7. Y is 12.7. Then what is x? X is the opposite. Choose tangent. Tangent 38 degree is equals to opposite 10 over adjacent. No. Opposite. What is opposite? X and A adjacent 10. Now we can cross multiply. X 10 multiplied by tangent 38. Okay, by tangent 38. So x is equals to 7.8. Use the scientific calculator. Okay, clear. Tangent 38 times 10. The answer is 7.8. Next, why if the missing is the degree? How can you find the degree? Using the TOA. So now I give you the sample that the missing is the degree. If the degree is missing, like here is this degree missing, and this is 5 and this is 3. What is this? This is the hypotenuse. And what is this? The opposite. So we can use sign. Means sign degree missing equals to opposite. Where is the opposite? 3 divide 5. All you need to do is what? This sign make remain degree is there, position, put sign here, and then inverse, then divide 5 over 5. 3 divide 5. Okay? So degree is equals to how much? Use scientific calculators. Inverse. I give you sample. Put the inverse here in the bottom left. Then sign this. And by 3 divide 5 is equals to 36.8 or 37 degree. Okay? Clear? So this is 37 degree. This degree is 37 degree. Okay? Very simple. Just transfer the sign here and click inverse, then 3 divide 5. Very simple. Okay? One more. Want to make it clear. Last. I give you the degree is, and now the degree missing is here. What is this? Okay? What is this? And this is 70 and this is 155. Where is the opposite? So the opposite is here. Because the degree is here, the opposite is this. So, and this is the adjacent. Means we use TOA. So tangent degree is equals opposite. Where is the opposite of the missing side? Missing degree 155 over 70. So again, degree is equals to only tangent inverse. Okay? Then 155 over 70. So degree is equals to, use scientific calculator. Scientific calculator I use now. Then what? 155. Click inverse on the bottom side, then tangent. Okay? Inverse, tangent, then times 155 divided by 70 equals 65.7 or 66 degree. Okay? So degree is equals to 66. So this degree is equals to 66. Very easy, huh? Just put degree here, then tangent inverse 155 divide 70 only is equals degree 66. Thank you. I hope you can learn again for my lesson today. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.